Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel and thank you for subscribing. So today we are going to learn about equation of a straight line. In our previous video we learned about the gradient of a line. So today we are going to do equation of a straight line. We're going to link the other video and this one. Gradient of a line, we find it by changing y coordinates over changing x coordinates. For example, in given 2 points, our point A is -2, 4, and our point B is 4, 8, 4, 8. And then you're told, find the equation of this line. There's something you have to know, that equation of a straight line is formed in this format. Y is equals to mx plus c, where m is the gradient. For this case, we want to find the equation of a straight line for this line. So we want to find its equation. The first thing you have to do is you do what we did on our previous video, finding the gradient of a line. And remember, what did we say? Gradient of a line, we find it by changing y coordinates over changing x coordinates. For this, changing y from 4 to 8. So it's 8 subtracted to 4 over what? 4 subtracted to negative 4 subtracted to -2. This will give us 4 subtracted to 4, it's 4, over 4 minus -2. That will give us a positive. So it will be 4 plus 2, which will give us 6. So this you can cancel out to be 2 over 3. This is the gradient. This is our gradient. The gradient of a line is given by changing y over changing x, which is equals to y bar 1 subtracted to y1 over x bar 1 subtracted to x. Are we together? So if you're given the gradient, you can use one of that point to give you the equation. For example, we have the gradient. Our gradient, we've said, is 2 over 3. We can say it's equals to y1 over y over x1 subtracted to x. So it's either you can use the first point or the second point to find the equation of this line. So for our case, let's use the first point, which is A. So for example, for this we're going to use the coordinate of A. So it will be 2 over 3 is equals to, change in y, our y1, which is equals to subtracted to 4, over change in x, which is equals to x1 subtracted to what? -2. This will give us y1 minus 4 over x plus 2 is equals to 2 over 3. From here, what you're going to do is multiply both sides by x plus 2, multiply both sides by x plus 2. Are you together? So this one will be 2 over 3 is equals to y over x plus 2. So it will be times x plus 2 times x plus 2. So this one will cancel this one. So this will take, so it will be y1 minus 4 is equals to y1 minus 4 is equals to 2 over 3 x plus 2. So we can open the bracket here. Open the bracket. It will be 2 over 3x plus 4 over 3. And then this one will be y1 minus 4. So we can take this one to the other side. So it will be, equation of this line will be y is equals to 2 over 3x plus 4 over 3 plus 4. Are you together? So from there, you check the like terms together. So it will be y is equals to 2 over 3x plus 4 over 3. That is the equation of that line. So you can pause the video and then follow the procedure from here. Another question, consider the line passing through a point A, which is 2, 3, and then our B is 5, 9. They've said find the equation of that line AB. Find the equation of line AB. So the first thing, the gradient of AB gradient. The gradient of AB is given by changing y coordinates over changing x coordinates. Our change in y coordinates is equals to the same as y minus over. So our y, the second y, it's 9, subtracted to our first y, which is 3. The second x, it's 5, subtract to our first x, which is equals to 2. This will give us 9 minus 3 is 6 over 5 minus 2 is 3. So this will give us what? 2. So the equation of this line is 2. So remember what we said, when you find, the gradient of this line is 2. When you've given the gradient, when you have the gradient, you use one point and the other one you assume it's not there. So you're going to use 2, 3, point A. We're going to use point A, 2, 3, and then we assume point B it's x, y. So we're going to use that to find the gradient of that line. So we're going to use 2 is equals to changing y over changing x, which is changing y over changing x. Right together. So it will be 2 is equals to changing y. Our y we don't know, it's y subtracted to our y here, it's 3 over y1. We've said we're going to put it x subtracted to this, subtracted to our x here, it's 2. So this will give us 2 is equals to this equation. So what you're going to do is multiply each side by x minus 2. So it will be x minus 2 is equals to y minus 3 over x minus 2, which is x minus 2. Multiplied by x minus 2. So this x will cancel this x. And then from there, we shall have y minus 3 is equals to 2 into x minus 2. So this will give us y minus 3 is equals to, we open the bracket, is 2x minus 4. So we take this negative 3 to the other side. It will be what? When you take x negative to another side of the equation, it becomes a positive. And when you take positive to the other side of the equation, it will become a negative. So it will be y is equals to 2x minus 4 plus 3. This equation will end up being y is equals to minus 4 plus 3, it's minus 1. So it will be 2x minus 1. So you can pause the video and then check the procedure from here, and click the like button if the video was useful to you, and stay tuned of topics or subtopics that you might need me to cover.